Shuggy Bear? Who is my Shuggy Bear? Are you going to talk for Mama? Are you going to talk for Mommy? Say hi. Look at how big the boy is. Hi. Say hi to Mama. Tell me what else. Tell me what else. Yes? Yes. Oh, yay. Yeah, I'm so excited. Hello. What you looking at? What you looking at? You little sleepy boy. You kind of look like Ninny today. I think you kind of look like Aunt Ninny today. Just a little bit. Just go like this. Kind of looks like Ninny. Okay, bye-bye.